How to add AI plugin on Gimp. So in this video, I will show you how you can add AI plugin, which is Stable Diffusion on your Gimp. So Gimp is a GNU image manipulation program. You can head over and download it if you don't have it right now. So I have in here this GitHub plugin that can help add the Stable Diffusion for Gimp. So in order to do this, what we can do is you can just open your Gimp that you have, then click on the new layer by going to File and click on New. Now you should be able to create a blank layer from there. Now once you have over to your layer option right here, you can go to Qualcomm AI plugins and you should be able to have the Stable Diffusion from there. It will open the Stable Diffusion 1.5 catalog. So just input right here the actual thing that you want or prompt and then click onto this generate right here. So if you're interested to get this particular Stable Diffusion plugin, you can head over and then download this by clicking onto the three dots right here. And then you can copy this path, or you can also go over and then copy this each actual code right here. And then you should be able to have this particular plugin for your actual Stable Diffusion. You can go click onto this code, then download the zip and add it onto your actual GIMP right here. So that's how you add AI plugin or stable diffusion to GIMP. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.